next thing we're gonna do is lay down this dark wood wallpaper.
It's gonna look like a farmhouse.
That's the idea. We were trying to go for that country chic look. I'll put it down on the table here. For this next part, we're gonna wrap the seat, and I'm gonna make it a little bit extra long so you can see it'll wrap around.
Final touch.
So you can see it goes all the way to the ground. The nice thing is it has this point, so it just sticks right into the ground.
Kids are gonna love it.